To start off, guys, I'm just going to click on create a design and I'm going to choose Instagram post and work from there. For you, okay guys, so the first way is that you can come here and you can go to elements, and in elements you're gonna search for stickers down here, and right here you see where we have word stickers. So you click on that to get and to be able to see the different words that they have, right? So here we have several, so I'll just click on Savage and see it comes up right here. And I'll just crop that by just me holding on to this part of the sticker here and just dragging it to the size that I want. You can go as large as you want or as small as you want, it's all up to you. And then I'm gonna click on Salty, so Savage, Salty, and Lit. So these are the three that I'm using. So this is one way to basically have animated text in Canva. If you wanted, once you're in stickers here, if you want, whilst you're in stickers here, you say you want another word, you could just type in that word. So you could type in love sticker. And here we have several coming up. And see, we have the word human here and some others. So basically, if there's a specific word that you're looking for, you could type it in and chances are they may have that sticker. And also typing in girl again to see if they have that, just to show you some options that you may have. So we have girl power, yes girl, and some others. The version of Canva that I'm using though is Canva Pro. So with Canva Pro you do get a few things, but if you notice, you see the word free here, so these are free. So perhaps you'd get them in the free version of Canva. But yeah, so that's how you would get those animated words, and then you could just go ahead and download it to your computer. Up here you could type in the words like animated words. So right here is where you type your heading. Alright, so this is one way. Let's go to the other way that you can the other way for you to animate in Canva. Okay guys, so for this other method of animating using Canva, we're gonna go and select text. You could select any one of these font combinations that they have. I'm just gonna select a header here, so I can just type in the words as I want, and I'm just gonna drag to maximize, to enlarge this text box here, and then I'll just type in the words. I'll just use the words that I had before in the other one, so that's savage. So again, I'll just select text box, click and drag to enlarge, and then I type in the word that I want. So this is lit. Make that bigger. Make savage bigger as well. And then the last one is salty. Okay, so arrange them however you want, and to arrange them you just click on the box and move them around on the screen here. So at this point now, to animate these words, you're gonna go back over here, you're gonna click on elements, and then you're gonna type in sparkle sticker. And here we have a ton of different sparkles coming up that you can use. I'm gonna choose some of these, this one here, and what you can do is to just minimize it. So you can minimize, move around your words wherever you want them to be. I'm selecting another one and I'm just placing it where I'd want to have it. Placing the words. So you just play around, guys, based on how you would want your words to be animated. Just play around with the stickers, the sparkle sticker that you choose. And as you see, I have others that you can choose from. So there, that's how you can have animated text again, and then you would just go ahead, guys, and just download it. All right, so now we're on to the third method. So for this method, guys, we're gonna come here and click on text. And to have my text box, I'm just gonna enlarge it. Then I'm gonna type in the word savage right here. Then after I'm done with that, I'll just center this. Just hold it and center it. Okay, good. And then I'll just click add a new page. A new page comes up. Click on text, enlarge, and I'm gonna type in salty. Just enlarge that box with the word salty, as well as center it or position it where I want it to be. Then onto a new page, and I'm gonna go back to my text box, enlarge it, and I'm gonna type in the word lit. Alright, so Again, I'm just gonna position this where I want it to be. So once you have your words, guys, you're gonna come here and click on this drop down arrow that's here. Then you're gonna go down to show more and you're gonna go to animation. Now in animation, you're gonna scroll down to simple, and in simple we have some options, so you can choose to have your words show up slow, medium, or fast. I'm gonna choose fast. And once you do that, you realize that if you notice here, your words are changing from one to the other very quickly. So this is how you can animate. And then once you've clicked simple, fast, you just go ahead and download your file, and then you would have it looking like this. So if you wanted to jazz it up a bit, you could make your words, your font colorful. So I'll just choose a pink. I'll choose this color pink. For Savage, I'm gonna make that this golden looking color here. I need something brighter. Well, I'll choose yellow, and lit, I'll just put it in purple. So here I'll just go back, click on the animation, and here. So we have the words popping up quickly like that. Then you'll be able to just download it. So guys, that is how you can animate your words in Canva. Feel free to ask any other questions you may have related to Canva in the comment section below, and I'll respond to you. Until my next video, guys. Bye.